Hello everyone, and welcome to our video presentation on Brilliant Cafe's database project. In this video, we'll take you through the process of designing and implementing the database for Brilliant Cafe, as well as explaining the business rules that guide our project. Before we dive into the technical details, let's have a quick overview of the business rules that shape our project. Number 1. Efficient menu management. We need a system to manage our menu items, including their descriptions, prices, and categories. Number 2. Employee management. Our cafe has a dedicated team of crew members with various roles and responsibilities. We must keep track of their information and schedules. Number 3. Inventory and supplier management. To ensure smooth operations, we need to manage our inventory effectively, including tracking items, quantities, and suppliers. Number 4. Order processing. We need a mechanism to handle customers' orders efficiently, recording details such as item ordered, quantities, and total amounts. Number 5. Transaction tracking. Lastly, we must track all transactions made at the cafe, including sales, payments, and change given to customers. With these business rules in mind, let's proceed to the implementation of our database. Also, for this video presentation, we're going to use a separate database, the limited actor database, on the original database. To ensure the clarity of the relationships between entities and variables within database.
Now, let's begin by creating the database for Brewling Cafe and setting up the necessary tables. Our first step is to create the menu table where we will store information about the cafe's menu items. Here's the schema for our menu table, including columns for item ID, name, description, price, and category. Once the table is created, we will insert data for various menu items, including coffee, tea, cakes, pastries, and pasta. Next, we will create the crew table to manage information about our cafe's crew members. The crew table includes columns for crew ID, name, position, address, contact number, email address, and shifting days. During our interview, some of the cafe's employees did not want to include some of their personal data. We'll then insert data for the cafe's crew members, including details such as their names, positions, and contact information.
Hi, I am Maria Teresa Parajes, and moving on, we'll create the supplier table to manage information about the cafe suppliers. The supplier table includes columns for supplier such as ID, name, address, contact number, email address. And now, we'll insert data for our suppliers, including details such as their names, contact information, or emails and addresses. Next, we'll create the inventory table to track the cafe's inventory of items. The inventory table includes columns for item ID, name, supplier ID, quantity, unit, cost price, selling price, expiry date, date of purchase, and storage location.